blast of sounds, I'm strapped with raps, and cap the rants in the basket, smashing the ambulance. Fast, dude, I'm asthmatic, bitch. I'm standing packed, stacked with knives, and I'm stabbing them.
T5 will killing them, and in the right, and strife bang, 60 deep, and bang, the sister and wife. Bust the dog quick, catch the whole flick. You don't know who I know, the cut out your dick.
Written, but shit on them allegedly. Sinister embodying the savior at 17. Damn, but I'm crashing on T5's fake haters. Wanna step to me, but they chafer betas.
You think you spotted us? You got zilch 0 intel on my location. I'm the fucking hero, saving the public from your shitty rapping. T5's done like the bugs on WhatsApp.
As of now, I'm fucking Isabel. Rhino's mom's naked in the dungeon in the prison cell. Try to sit in like where is the bell for his cue to get on the fucking rap that didn't sell.
Isabel's in the lair, I'm pulling on her pretty hair, screaming loving it. Got Rhino's mom pretty there, to probably break his families too. But fame and recluse, they seasoned in my stew.
Look, I'm arriving in Tucson. Happy away, I'm raping bitches on the futon. Toss your salad croutons in the lubricant. Raping your mom, your sister, daughter, and any stupid bitch.
It's a cinch, just grab and slip it and move it. Then wait a few hours, grab another victim. Yo, pissing your pants again. T5, what the fuck's going on in your heads?
Even I'm ringing on these kids' necks and shit, and singing and eating salsa like I'm a fucking Mexican. And being the north wind, shocking Eldah kid, can't see me on the chalkboard, my name spells to me. Fuck man, so hot out tonight.
I know man, I know. Stay.
Alright, for sure man, for sure.
Yo, where'd you bury Rhino?
Inside his mom's decaying body, of course. Nigguh.
Nice.
Isabel's in the garage at base.
Fresh meat.
Alright bro, let's get down to business.
Wait, I'm pride down there.
Alright, sure. Let's go. Bitch.
Trapped on the planet of pain and perpetrators that you call Earth, but I call hell's equators.